How to save and download Instagram messages. To do that, first of all, you have to make sure that you have updated version of Instagram application. Once you check that, launch your Instagram application and log into your account. Then tap on the home icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, go to the settings and activity by simply setting the three lines from the top right corner. Here you will see account center, tap on that and select your information and permissions option. Once you go through there, you will see download your information option, tap on it. Now again select download or transfer information and select your Instagram and hit on next. Then select all available information and select download to device. Now you have to create files, hit on that and your file will be downloaded after creating your files automatically. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.